We're here at the magnificent Richmond Golf Club in Sydney for the Nova Australian PGA Championship, seniors over 50.
It's great fun coming back to Richmond. The club here support us amazingly well and the course is a treat, so really looking forward to the week.
So I played the 12th hole today, and obviously the Husqvarna robotic mower has been mowing that fairway for the last few weeks.
The first time I saw a robot mower was in Scotland. They had a golf course and a hotel. It was mowing the grounds around the hotel, and then it also mowed the golf course, and I thought that was very cool.
Actually in Europe, certainly in areas on the golf course where normal mowers couldn't get to. The way they were integrated just was incredible.
I've also seen it in the United States as well, and it obviously can save some time and you can do it all day long, so that's really a cool thing to have.
I guess the quality of the cut, the best way to describe it is it's indiscernible between that and a regular cut from the fairway done by the greenkeeping staff. It is absolutely brilliant. The playing off the fairway was fantastic. The ball was sitting up nicely.
So I was on the 12th hole and the fairway was immaculate. Luckily I hit the fairway on that hole, so I had a nice lie from the fairway. So thanks for the lawnmower for giving me a good lie.
It's in fantastic condition. The course is great, and you would never know which hole was done by the normal mowers and which one was done by the Husqvarna.
It is an absolutely brilliant piece of innovation. It cuts fairways in a couple of hours, goes back, recharges itself and moves on.
Over the years we've seen a lot of technology in golf. It's great to see Husqvarna coming up with lots of new ideas. It makes a huge difference to all the golf courses and we love playing them.
Absolutely brilliant, and I think it's going to be a great addition to any golf club.
The robotic mower is just the way to go in the future.